Hello, how you doing? Look, today on the menu we're going to cook this fish in the oven, roasted fish. We've got lemongrass in there, which is the big flavour, a little bit of star anise, a few other bits. It's very, very, very simple, but the result, as you can see, is absolutely marvellous. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so let's take a look at our fish. Now the fish that I'm using today is tilapia, a whole tilapia. You can use a different fish if you want, a sea bass or any whole fish really. Now that's about 500, 600 grams, about a pound. You can see my hand, how big it is. It's quite a nice chunky fish. Now it's been cleaned, which means it's been descaled. The end's been cut off there. The guts have been taken out and the fins, sharp fins, have been removed. Now you can just get your fishmonger to do that, or if you want, do it yourself. Now you might see that I've got a knife and I've cut into it. I've just cut in just a little bit. Let me just show you, just like that. Just to open it out. Nice thin lines. I've done that on both sides. So on this plate you can see some aromatics that we're going to be using. I'm going to be pointing at these things with our lemongrass, which we're also going to be using. So sliced ginger, quite a lot of lime. Now I'm using lime, use lemon if you want. Salt and pepper, about a teaspoon each. Just under a cup of sliced onions. And here I've got some star anise, and of course we've got our lemongrass. So what we're going to do is we're going to get this into a roasting tin now, season the fish up, off we go. It's very simple. Okay. So with the lemongrass, what I've done, it's usually much longer than that, but that kind of part that extends is really woody. So just chop that off, cut the ends off, and then we need to kind of just break it. So I've got a hammer here. And what you're doing is you're just, wow, really sort of releasing all the goodness. If you don't have a hammer, use the back of a knife. It does the same trick. So I've got there a oven ready dish. So I'm using metal. You can use glass, you can use ceramic, as long as it can go into the oven. You can see my wonderful, beautiful assistant's hand there. That's my daughter, just laying all the lemons or limes if you want, all on the bottom of that dish. Also, right now, get your oven on maximum heat. You need a really, really hot oven for this. So we've put a nice layer of the limes, in my case, on the bottom. Let's grab our fish. On it goes. Very simply, we've got onion. So we're gonna put the onion around, a little bit inside as well. Also got our star anise and ginger. Now if you wanted, you could use garlic. I'm just going with ginger. And again, I'm going to pop a few pieces of it. You can see I've cut it quite chunky. I was going to go inside, a few little bits outside. Star anise, a couple of bits out, a couple of bits in. 5-spice powder also works really nicely if you've got that. Salt and pepper, about a teaspoon each. Just going to mix that up in my hand there, and then we're going to drop that all over here. And then we've got our lemongrass. Now I'm going to just put it in whole like this. If you want, you could actually put it into the mouth of the fish in, so it goes right in. I'm not going to be doing that today. What you can do is bend it, break it over like that, and get some inside. Other bits just on the outer. And that is about it, apart from we're going to get some oil on this. You're going to need a little bit of oil. Again, I'm going to just bend that over. The more you kind of bend it and break it like we hammered it, the more you're going to get the essence of the beautiful flavors. Let me grab some oil. Okay, and I've just got some sunflower oil. You could use a different oil if you want. We're just going to get that on the fish and around. And then really simply, this just goes into a really, really hot oven, and it's going to be absolutely beautiful. This size fish for me, maximum heat oven is going to be about 12 to 14 minutes. So super, super, super hot oven, really raging hot. Get that in, it's beautiful, that is. I mean, that is really good. You can see it's kind of opened out a little bit. You can see that fish is completely all white now. Beautifully done. Okay, so I just fetched it out the pan, plated it up. Now what I like to do is get a little bit of, as I serve it, just a little bit of soy. I've got a light soy here, which I'm just going to drizzle over like that. That is absolutely delicious. I hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. See you soon. Lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.